hard to explain. Why too hard to explain? Enjoy, no hard to explain, okay? Enjoy lang. Enjoy your life, okay? No lonely. Me, I have a lot of, pagsubok sa life, but I still fighting my problem. Don't fight, don't face your problem. Don't face your problem. You're fighting. Fight lang, okay? Your lucky day. My lucky day. Of course, all lucky. We all lucky, guys. Depends on you. Stay happy, no lonely, okay? Don't be lonely, stay happy. Who? Why you crying? Don't cry for me. Oh, never. Don't cry, oi. Don't cry. Always be happy. I don't like to cry. I don't like cry. You know, it's so lonely. Me, I'm 30 years so lonely, but I still happy, right? Fight lang, guys. Don't be lonely. Stay happy, okay? No cry, no cry, no cry. The year next year is be happy, guys. Don't sad. You see, me, my boss, me, no rehire me, you know. So I'm happy because they said no recontract anymore. So why I lonely, right? Stay happy. Kahit sometimes lonely, syempre, because I care this family for 6 years. I'm so lonely to be, I leave this family, but still happy na. No choice, right? Stay happy lang. Love, happy. Yeah, good. Your smile is I like. I like your smiling emoticon. Yan. Don't cry emoticon because no good. I like smiling and uh, I like always smiling because I don't like crying because my life is like that before. I don't like so lonely. Like lonely day. No. Stay happy, guys. Because happy is great. Ayan. If you happy, you become happy person. You become your life is more long life, you know. Who you bully? OMG. Who's that you bully? I will kick the ass. I kick the ass na. I kick the ass who bully for you. No, I'm kidding, guys. Don't cry. Don't care them, okay? Don't care them. Okay, be happy, okay? Be happy. Stay happy every day and become and you dancing. That's why. Uy, you see the dagat na, okay? And I will go to cut my grandpa hair because next year can cut la. So grandpa is become looking good. Handsome grandpa for the year 2025. I make him handsome. Yeah, you kick the ass. No. They if you bully, they bully you. You kick the ass. Ay, naku, Diyos ko, Lord. OMG. Silipin niyo yung dagat, guys. Sobrang saya. Okay, guys. See you later, guys. And I will back later because now I busy to cut my grandpa hair. I will talk to you later, okay? You local big back, do you want to monetize your channel? Do you want to monetize or just you peeping my channel also? But anyway, thank you for peeping and watching. Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye. Take care, guys. Take care, guys. Dito na muna